When the result contains null values, reports and exports can look incomplete. In SQL Server, ISNULL gives quick fallback for one expression, and COALESCE helps when you want the first available value from multiple options. Let's see both quickly in SSMS. When your data has null values, reports and exports can look incomplete. In SQL Server, ISNULL gives a quick replacement, and COALESCE helps when you want the first available value from multiple options. Here we have some numbers with missing home phone values and some with no phone at all. ISNULL is the quick win when you just want one fallback value for one expression. COALESCE is more flexible. It returns the first non-null value from the list we provide. So home phone first, then mobile phone, and finally our text fallback. One professional caution: ISNULL and COALESCE are not always identical. COALESCE can check multiple values, and their result type behavior can differ. So test production logic carefully. The takeaway is simple. Use ISNULL when you need one quick fallback value for one expression. Use COALESCE when you want the first non-null result from multiple possible values. One professional caution: they are not always identical because data type behavior can differ, especially with string lengths and type precedence. So production code validate the result carefully.